Forget self-help books. This 2,000-year-old framework actually works. Here is how to use it. The problem: you got the job, the promotion, the opportunity. And now a voice in your head says, you do not belong here. Everyone is going to figure out you are a fraud. You second-guess every decision. You over-prepare for everything. You cannot enjoy your success because you are convinced it is temporary. This is imposter syndrome. And the Stoics had a radical cure for it. The Stoic framework. Marcus Aurelius was emperor of Rome. He literally ruled the known world. And in his private journal he wrote, "Do not act as if you are going to live 10,000 years. Be good now." He did not write, "Be great." He did not write, "Be perfect." He wrote, "Be good now." The imposter syndrome voice says you need to be extraordinary. The Stoics say you need to be present, to do the work in front of you. Marcus Aurelius said, "The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. You were not hired to be perfect. You were hired to show up and try." 3 Stoic actions for imposter syndrome. Action 1. Start a failure journal, not a success journal. Write down one thing you failed at or got wrong each day. This rewires your brain to see failure as normal, not catastrophic. The Stoics practiced this. Marcus wrote about his mistakes constantly. Action 2. The view from above. When anxiety hits, zoom out. Imagine looking at Earth from space. Your presentation, your meeting, your project. They are tiny moments in an infinite universe. This is not minimizing. It is perspective. Action 3. Focus on contribution, not comparison. Stop asking, "Am I good enough?" Start asking, "How can I be useful?" Epictetus captured this. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. The Stoics did not measure themselves against others. They measured themselves against their own principles. That is the only comparison that matters.